Hey everybody, it's Neil, and it's such a beautiful day out today. I had to just come outside to do this. Hopefully the wind chimes aren't too noisy and you can still hear what I'm saying. That's why I put on my little microphone. But I got this thing here. This is the Aufien, Aufien. I guess it's all fine. Love what I love. It's a little necklace, so we're going to give this thing a try here. It's a 14 karat gold-plated, non-fading necklace. So we're going to give this thing a try here and see what it looks like. So let's open it up and I will show you guys what it looks like. So this is kind of what it is here. It comes in the little package here, and you see this one here has a little heart with the letter O on it, and this is because this one here is for Olive, who's not with me today for this video, but she'll be surprised when she gets it. So let's see what we got here. So this is kind of what it looks like on the back here. Let's open this thing up and check it out. We can open it up nicely, see what it looks like, and see how durable and everything it looks. So here we go. So this is what it looks like here. So it's got the clasp, and I guess that little extra hanging thing there is so you can adjust the length of it, so you can clip it on the different areas maybe, or maybe it just hangs there. I'm not sure. I'm not a woman. I don't know how things go. So that's kind of what it looks like, and this is it here. But it seems like a really nice looking little necklace. And yeah, the O, the little heart slides on the necklace, so it does slide around, so it'll move around. It's not attached, so that's cool. And so that's what it looks like here. I don't think I really need to take it off of the cardboard because I'm not going to be wearing it at the moment. But let's put this thing back in here and let's see what other stuff was in this box, if there's anything in there. I'll put it down. So let's see, what did it come with here? It came with a little card. Just a little gift card thing. That's kind of nice, actually. I could put the name on it and say, hey, Olive, hope you like this necklace. So there we go. So that's pretty cool. So, and it's a nice little fuzzy little box too. So it actually looks like a nice little thing. So pretty cool. So I like this. Actually, I might not even put it back in that plastic, make it look a little bit nicer if it's just like this inside the box. So very cool. So I'm going to say this is awesome. So thumbs up from me for this nice little necklace. So thumbs up, and I'll put a link to it in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. It does come in other letters. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.